Dear students, let us proceed to your workbook. We are already moving to a new chapter, word order. The name of the chapter is word order. What do you mean by the term word order? To make meaningful sentences, words need to be arranged in a particular order. Okay, whichever language that you speak, you need to arrange the words in a proper way and speak. Otherwise, no language can be called it's a proper language. It will become a faulty language. If at all you do not have proper arrangement of words, we cannot speak proper language. So in order to have a good language, together with words, we need to arrange the words in a proper way. And they should be grammatically proper. Let's now proceed to some of the examples and get to know how to arrange words in order. Here there are different types of sentences: affirmative, negative, and also questions. Let's now proceed. Arrange the words to make affirmative sentences. Okay, these all are affirmative sentences. I have done 5 for you. Remaining rest of the sentence, I will be giving you a time. Please keep ready your diary and a pen with you so that you try and also copy down these examples, so that after you get your course book, you have to copy in that book the similar examples. Please be ready for the class. First sentence, like I you. So in order to arrange, we need to shift the words. I like you. French I speak French. Hates pigeons he hates pigeons. The girls sing. The girls sing a song. Fifth one, sell flowers we sell flowers. Okay, let's now proceed. I think you have understood how to shift the words in order to make meaningful sentences. Let's now proceed to other examples. These examples will be worked out by you. Okay, please work out this sentence. I will give you time for a minute. You will work out this sentence. You will work out on this sentence. Did you succeed? Let's see the answer. He wants you to see me, or in other words, you can put it this way also. He wants me to see you. Let's proceed. Question number 7. Feed you my cat can. I'll give you time to prepare. So answer would be, you can feed my cat. Let's proceed to the next. 8. Sister has got a dog. Time to prepare. Answer is my sister has got a dog. Next. Must the book read you? Answer would be you must read the book. Let's proceed. Buy milk he wants to. Answer would be he wants to buy milk. Okay, we have gone through the affirmative sentences. Now we will be going to questions. Sorry, we will be going to negative sentences. These are positive sentences. We are going to negative sentences. What do you mean by negative sentences? Where we use do not, will not, shall not. Not is used. So let's proceed now. See, there are few sentences which are already done for you. Arrange the words to make negative sentences. Place time expressions at the end of the sentence. What do you mean by time expression? The words that express time, like next year, last year, tonight, next week, yesterday, all those should be, these term expressions, time expression should be should be placed at the end of the sentence. So, look at the first sentence. Our holiday will at home we not spend next year. That's a bit a complicated sentence and we will need time to prepare. We will need time to think. Okay. The answer will be here. See that you put the subject first. The subject is we. So we will not spend our holiday at home next year. Did I him see not last night at the disco? So the answer will be I did not see him at the disco last night. So time expression is put at the end. To a party, not we tonight going are. So we are not going to party tonight. Tonight is time expression. We will the letter not next week send you see she. The correct sentence would be she will not send you the letter next week. Not the truth did he tell you yesterday. The correct sentence would be he did not tell you the truth yesterday. Let's now proceed and I will give you time to prepare these sentences. Please do prepare in your rough book. To the cinema we want not to tonight to go. A bit complicated sentence. Please take time to prepare it. Okay, let's proceed. The answer would be we do not want to go to the cinema tonight. I hope you got it right. Next sentence. Number 7. Play did he on Sunday, not the piano. Time to prepare. Did you get it? Okay, the correct sentence would be, he did not play the piano on Sunday. He did not play the piano on Sunday. Next sentence, not now she in England is. It looks like a bit easy, and I will get it right. The correct answer would be, she is not in England now. Please score 1 each mark to each correct sentence, to each correct answer. Let's now proceed to next. Eat in winter ice cream, do not. I. It's very easy. The answer would be, I do not eat ice cream in winter. Let's proceed to the next sentence. Right now have not we time do. Right now have not we time do. Answer would be, we do not have time right now. I hope you got it, affirmative and negative sentences, how to change them and put them into proper order. Let's now go to questions. Okay, I have done 5 sentences for you. These are questions. Let's look at the first sentence. Accept the judgment did the man the jungle lords of. So how to make it, put it in a proper order and make it a question. Did the man accept the judgment of the jungle lords? So did, here we are using the question tag first. Please remember, question tag should be brought at the beginning. Next sentence. Mara tie the creeper to a tree, why did? So which is the question tag here, or the question word? Why? So why did Mara tie the creeper to a tree? Question number 3. Was the thief, his attitude really humane in? Okay. So which is the question word here? Was. So was should be brought at the start. Was the thief really humane in his attitude? Next, number 4. Does technology in contrast to religion stand? Which is the question word in this sentence? Does. So does should come at the start. Does technology stand in contrast to religion? Next, treated as a was Mara madman. Which is the question word here? Was. So was should be brought at the start. Was Mara treated as a madman? Let's proceed. Now I'll be giving you time to prepare these sentences. When it comes to question tag, okay, question word or the question sentences, questions, forming questions, you will find it difficult. Please pay attention to put the question word at the start. Okay, let's look at the correct answer. Did Douglas retain his self-confidence? Did Douglas retain his self-confidence? Let's move to the next sentence. Why did the farmer suicide commit? Why did the farmer suicide commit? Please try to do it. It's very easy. The correct answer would be, why did the farmer commit suicide? And the question mark at the end. Your question mark is missing. Please put the question mark at the end. Let's proceed. Number 8. The narrator how does go to Verona? The narrator how does go to Verona? The answer is, how does the narrator go to Verona? Let's go to the next question. What did do during the German invasion? The boys. What did do during the German invasion? The boys. Correct answer would be, what did the boys do during the German invasion? Let's proceed. The crude realities of life is love of any value before? The crude realities of life is love of any value before? Is love of any value before the crude realities of life? Next, who the window broke? It's very easy. Who the window broke? The correct answer would be, Who broke the window? Next, how your grandmother is? Very easy. How is your grandmother? Next, did she her homework in my room do? Did she her homework in my room do? Correct sentence would be, did she do her homework in my room? Did she do her homework in my room? Next, Talaguppa station does leave the train when? Talaguppa station does leave the train when? Time to prepare. So answer would be, when does the train leave Talaguppa station? When does the train leave Talaguppa station? Next, conduct classes where Babar Ali does. Conduct classes where Babar Ali does. Answer would be, where does Babar Ali conduct classes? Where does Babar Ali conduct classes? Next, has been cursed, which a sage creeper by. Has been cursed, which a sage creeper by. All these sentences from your textbooks. Correct answer is, which creeper has been cursed by a sage. And that is the end of this part of the grammar. We shall continue. There are few more sentences to be done. We shall continue. Hope you all have got rightly all the answers. If not, you can try again. Try again and try many more sentences so that you will be fluent in doing word order. Thank you.